Hi, struggling with your browser limitations to upload and download multiple and big files?
No worries, you can install our transfer manager, Mnemonica Gate. Here's how. On the top bar, click the Gate icon in the top right-hand corner and select Download Gate. On the next page, choose which version to download according to your operating system. On Mac, after downloading the DMG file, open it, drag the Gate into your Applications folder, and double-click it to launch the app. On Windows, launch the Gate installer and follow the instructions. From now on, the Mnemonica icon will appear on the Finder bar on Mac and in the Windows tray in lower right corner of the screen. Click the Mnemonica icon to open the Gate and log in with your Mnemonica credentials. Now all you have to do is pair it with your browser session. Click on the menu button and select Preferences. Copy the Gate ID key and go back to your browser session. Click on the Gate icon again and select Pair Gate. Paste the copied ID key and click Pair. The Gate is now paired with your browser, and the color of the Gate icon is finally green. From now on, anytime you start a transfer, the Gate will automatically pop up to assist you.